My beloved brothers and sisters, let me ask you a simple question. What is the most precious thing you have right now? It is not your wealth, it is not your position, it is not even your health. The most precious thing you and I have is time. Because once a moment passes, it will never return. And how we use our time will decide our true future, not in this world, but in the hereafter. Today, I want to share with you simple reminders that can change the way you look at time and your life forever. Let us begin with something very simple but extremely powerful. Imagine you woke up this morning and found out that someone deposited a large amount of money into your account, let us say $100,000. You would immediately think, how do I use this wisely? How do I make sure I don't waste it? You would probably plan every cent, every investment, every expense, because you know that money is valuable and once it is gone, it will not return. But the truth is, every single morning Allah deposits into your account something far more valuable than money. It is not wealth, it is not gold, it is not property, it is time. Every morning when you wake up, you are given another day, another 24 hours. And once those hours pass, you will never get them back again. The clock does not move backward, it only moves forward. And this is why time is one of the greatest gifts that Allah has given us. We often take it for granted because we cannot see it the way we see money. If someone puts cash in your hand, you immediately value it. But time is invisible. It slips through our fingers without us noticing. We waste hours scrolling on our phones, watching things that add no value to our lives, sitting in conversations that are meaningless, or postponing what is important until tomorrow. But once that time is gone, it is gone forever. You cannot buy it back, you cannot borrow it. You cannot rewind your life and say, let me live that day again. It is finished. Think about this. Every breath you take is part of your allocated time on earth. With every inhale and exhale, your countdown is happening. The question is, what are you doing with this gift? Are you using it to build your hereafter, or are you letting it slip away in distraction and heedlessness? My brothers and sisters, Allah has told us in the Quran that He created time, He created night and day as signs, and He gave us this world as a temporary place of testing. That means every hour we live is part of our examination. Every minute is a chance to write our answers, to earn our reward, or to lose it. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are sitting in an exam hall. The teacher places the paper in front of you, and you have 2 hours to finish. If you waste the first hour chatting, doodling, or looking around, you will suddenly realize that the time is nearly up and you haven't written anything. What happens then? You fail. Not because you were not capable, but because you wasted your time. Life is exactly like that. Allah has given us a paper. Our deeds are the answers. Our time is the duration of the exam. And when the time ends, the paper will be taken away, whether you are ready or not. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once said that on the day of judgment, no one's feet will move until they are asked about 4 things. Their life and how they spent it, their youth and how they used it, their wealth and how they earned and spent it, and their knowledge and how they acted upon it. Notice the first question, your life and how you spent it. In other words, your time. Allah will ask you minute by minute, day by day, what did you do with the gift of time? Did you use it to remember Him, to pray, to serve your family, to seek knowledge, to do good? Or did you waste it in arguments, in laziness, in chasing things that had no benefit? Time